Sorry, I can't get over the rocky arms. I am attacked. I need something to hold on to. Here we go again. I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving this K-pop life. Hey everyone. So, today we're trying to do a thing. This is going to be a bit of a long intro. It's going to get emotional and it will discuss Bin's passing. Not in depth, but maybe in depth. It's not like going to be actually about what happened. It's going to be about how that made me feel. But like, you know, so if you just want to go to the reaction part of this video, just go ahead and skip ahead. I won't, there's probably going to be chapters marked. There will most definitely be chapters marked for this video. So, don't worry about it. And, I'll see you at that bit. But I felt like I shouldn't make this video without having a chat with you all first. I'm gonna get my emotional support bin photo card, which you can see in the back there. It's been... I happened to get a decorated top loader on the day when Bin passed, and it just felt like a weird knot of fate. So he's been in there ever since, so let me just get him just for emotional support. It's a very cute photo card though. Look at it. I think it's a after the Starry Road pre-order bonus. I bought it in a K-pop store in Paris. Yeah, that's what it is. But yeah, it's very cute. Him with his rose. But yeah, let's talk about, well, not Bin specifically, but Astro on this channel, how I've been doing, how we're all doing, stuff like that. As you might have been able to guess by the length of my break, Bin passing away affected me very heavily, a lot more than I thought, in part because I was already like, I think I was kind of like flirting with a really bad depressive episode for a while. I kept like managing to just get away from it, and then when Bin passed, that kind of gave me the massive nudge into it that, you know, what was that I couldn't get out from entirely by myself. So that's why I was gone so long. But here's the thing. I love Astro. They're one of the first groups I ever got into here on this channel, meaning one of the first groups I ever got into overall. And you know, I love them a lot. I really wish now that I had gone to see them in London last year when they were at Hallyu Pop Fest. But oh well. You know, I even have their light stick. And I just really, there's only a couple of people, groups that I'm attached to as people. Like there's groups that I like have listened to their entire discography, like on and off, and I love their discography, and I don't really know them as people as much, so I'm not that attached to them. Astro are not that. I love Astro. I love their dynamic. I think they're so funny. I think I don't know, like any group that I'm really fond of, you can start identifying when that happens, when I start calling them idiots. And I don't know if you follow me on Patreon, if you have my Patreon. If you don't, then you will have seen this less. But even in my like Astro Zone reactions here on YouTube, I'm pretty sure I call Astro idiots a lot. Because they're like my favorite types of idiots, you know. I love those dynamics so much, and they're so funny and fun together, and they're also like they're just so legitimately seem to like love each other, right? And you know, I just, they're one of my favorite groups to react to. I love them a lot. And it's not like, maybe in a way this makes it worse, but Bin isn't the first idol that I love that has passed, right? My old bias is and always will be Jonghyun. So when Bin passed, I made a resolve, I made a promise to myself that as soon as I could, as soon as I felt physically and emotionally able to, I would start making Astro videos again. And you may think, isn't that insensitive? Or like whatever. No, it's not. Not in my opinion. Because I can't speak about what it feels like to, you know, people where Astro is their old group and Bin is their old bias, or even just they have a different bias but Astro is their old group. But I can speak as someone who SHINee is their old group and Jonghyun is their old bias, right? Like I know what that feels like. And for better or for worse, there's some parallels there now. And to me, I'm sick and tired of people taking an idol in a situation like this and reducing them to the fact that they passed, the manner in which they passed, making them nothing more than a tragedy, making them like almost like like, whatever the trauma porn equivalent of a punchline is. Just, or like grossly exploiting their death, making like really gross compilations of like, or like not even gross, but like clickbaity compilations with like sad music of them looking sad or whatever. Or just like, yeah, right, that's what their entire life was. And I don't want that to happen to Bin, because I love him and I miss him. And quite frankly, I don't want it to happen to Jonghyun either. No Shawol does, trust me. But for Bin, I can, you know, I can be one of those people who don't reduce him to that. I have this channel. I've reacted to Astro here for over a year now. And I'm gonna keep reacting to Astro, and I'm gonna keep celebrating them and celebrating Bin and seeing him for the beautiful artist and beautiful person that he was, and for the amazing art and you know, content that he created. Celebrating everything that I love about him instead of the reason I miss him, reducing him to the reason I now have to miss him. Because he's so much more than that. So, in case you were wondering what's going to happen to Astro on this channel, nothing. They're here forever, for good. And worst case scenario, every once in a while when I do variety, I might get suddenly sad. But just because I miss him. But I'm not suddenly gonna start looking for signs in every single piece of content, because that's not how it works, and it's stupid, and be like, oh, he looks so sad. No, like, I'm gonna talk about him like I talk about literally anyone else. And I hope I hope me not like not being super serious every time I talk to him, or like, you know, eventually I might like, I don't know, react to some sexy bin content or whatever. I hope no one sees this as like disrespectful, because it isn't meant to be. It's meant to treat him like a normal person, like I would anyone else. But yeah, I think obviously I cried just now, but that's just because I was talking about the subject matter. But I think I'm now at a point where I can once again react to Astro without being an emotional mess the whole time. And that's why well, I don't know if I'm ready for variety content yet, because I'm gonna miss him harder with that. But music I'm ready for. So with that being said, this is where we can come back into and just go to the reaction. So this is the timestamp that I should have put down below as the end of the sad talk. But yeah, with all that being said, and my eyeliner maybe slightly smudged. Well, not my eyeliner, my mascara, what am I saying? I've been wanting to get around to reacting to the rest of the Astro MVs for a while. Now, I have no idea how many Astro MVs there actually are, because I only found like this one playlist. And some of the things in there are actually performance stages. But I can tell you that there are definitely 3 MVs here that I haven't checked out yet. And there's a bunch of like the Toka MVs and stuff like that. And then it's like, there's like a universe song and some solo stuff. But what I can definitely react to is these first 3 songs, including Astro's freaking debut song and first comeback. I haven't heard Astro's debut song, which is quite frankly atrocious. So we're gonna check out those songs. So first of all, we're gonna hop in with Hide and Seek, which doesn't have subs yet. It was before K-pop did subtitles. So yeah. When did it come out? February 22nd, 2016. Is that their debut date? I don't know it by heart. But yeah, let's hop right on in with Hide and Seek. Let's go. I'm expecting an upbeat bop. My voice. Oh, that's it, the song. I thought my phone was vibrating, and I was about to be like, God damn it, did I forget to turn on Do Not Disturb? Nope, it's in the song. Oh, April 2015. Look at the babies. Look at the babies. Sorry. Is that Uno? Yeah. Look at the baby. Sorry. It's so tiny. Look at you. Oh, that. Okay, you can see it through the mirror. Oh, damn. Okay, but going hard first. We're going hard for a song this upbeat with getting up on someone. Also, I just realized this is I hate it when I don't like a debut song, so now I'm suddenly very anxious. Rocky looks the exact same. I'm sorry, but Rocky looks the exact same. So does MJ. Like Uno has like baby face, but MJ and Rocky look the exact same. It's insane. I hate that ginger hair so much. So small. This is such bubblegum. Was Sana a rapper at debut? His little face. It looks so adorable, I'm dying. Hell yeah, Rocky, get it! Okay, I actually love that though. I actually love that. It's a bit goofy, but I actually love that. Look at Unu's face. So cute. I was gonna say it. First of all, this change up is a bit random and out of nowhere. Second of all, I was gonna be like, where are Jin Jin's lines? For some reason, I really like the way they did that move. Yeah, that one. The mooches! He looks like his little face. Oh no, it looks so tiny in this. I'm actually dying. Finn also looks the same. The only ones who look tiny are Unu and Sana. Everybody else looks the same. His smile is so big. That's so cute. I love how they all have like these 4,000 watt smiles. They were like, our concept is cute. We must let everyone know. Oh, I like that move. Oh, nice. I like what I really like about this for an debut MV is how much you get to see all of them individually. I feel like I recently watched some debut. I can't remember who it was. Even if I did, I probably shouldn't put them on blast. But I recently watched some debut where I felt like I barely got to see any of their faces. And it was a bigger boy group. But still, it's like I feel like you should give everyone at least some time for like some solid single shots in a debut MV, just so people can kind of like pick out who they like. You know, it's a debut. You gotta somehow bond to them in order to then like start supporting them, right? Is that just me? Anyways, I really like that about this. And are we the girl? Is the girl Aroha? Like she's found Astro in the mirror? I feel like you can almost tell in this MV that Bin is the one who's had the most training. Like there's just something about the way he does these moves that's like really attention grabbing. Aww, she is the Roja. Sorry, does his shirt say Polizei? Sorry, because I'm German, that didn't even get to me for a second. That says Polizei. That means police in German. Why is he randomly wearing a hoodie that on the back, which is actually the front, I think. Yeah, I think he's... This is so confusing. His hoodie is a hoodie that is made to look like it's backwards, but it isn't. And it says police in German on the back. Aww. And she's like, oh, these are the boys from my dreams, literally. Origin story for Aroha. Love it. Oh, did she make him a letter? I wish I could. Naru. Cha cha. Oh, wow. And that's where they left me. Como wo. It says thanks at the end. I think it's cute. I think it's a cute debut song. Am I obsessed with it? Not at this point. I could get it a little bit more into it with time. But it's cute. And cute's enough sometimes, right? Right. Anyways. So that was Hide and Seek. I finally heard their debut song. Okay. Next up we've got Cat's Eye. I think this was a B-side off of their debut album that they also made an MV for. So it also won't have subtitles. So let's go. Rocky looks so pretty. Oh gosh. I mean the styling's different, but I think it's still the first album. Wait, let me look this up just to be sure, but I'm already liking the way this sounds. But I want to make sure that it's still off their debut album before I keep talking about it like it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. So it's like a, it's kind of like I don't know, is it meant to be like kind of like a talent show type of thing in their school that they're performing at? What is mine? All right, kind of funky, and like brass band stuff. Ooh, that meant to be some. Yeah, that b-boying in there. I can't get over how baby Sana is. He's so baby. He's so baby. Look at him. Oh, I should watch it. Look at Rocky's arms. Rocky got arms. Damn. Sorry. Oh, it's the girl who's so raw. Gigi's face there. He's so cute. Cute. Actually, I really like the way they sound on that chorus. Okay. Rocky's voice sounds different. Is that just me? Rocky's voice sounds different than the Rocky I know. It's higher. Oh! No, wait. Are you gonna smooch him? Go for it. Wrong response, Bin. You should have leaned in. It's so cute. I really love the choreo. Like, this choreo is like cute and playful, but it's also really nice, like very pleasing to watch. Tease of his future role. I couldn't get it out. Future role as one of Astro's 2 ab sacrifices. And then Ginger noticed. Damn, Rocky's arms! I love that move too. So, I feel like this move, like right here, it's such an Astro move. Sorry, I can't get over the Rocky arms. How old was he? Who has... Huh? Wait, 2016. Rocky was what? 17? Who has arms like that at 17? I don't think I've ever heard Onu sing that low. I like it. I love this song. I feel like you can hear the lack of budget in the like very cheaply produced beat, but I still love it. Yeah, same girl. I love this one. Cat's Eye. I actually really love that one. Ah! Okay, I'm glad. Okay, so next up... and I've really heard a lot of the later ones. Except for like 1 or 2, I've heard like all of them. Damn. Lena, get it. Let me just caffeine up. Bit of crying, but did get to me. Energy wise. But yeah, next up we've got Breathless, which was their first comeback. Sorry. I just feel like there's a lot of personality in these positions. Especially where Sana and MJ are concerned. Okay. Does this one have subtitles? Or is the first one legitimately baby? I guess the first one is legitimately baby. Okay, let's go with Breathless. Breathless. Okay, we're very thirsty. Are we like... Oh, are we thirsty and... Wait, let me look something up. I mean, like something. I need a line distribution here because I just had a thought. Just to see if I'm right. Yeah, okay. Because I also hide and seek. I thought it was Bin who started the song, but I wasn't sure. I feel like Bin starts a lot of Astro songs because he also started hide and seek. He starts one of my absolute faves, which is Blue Flame. Is that just me? Is Bin a common like opener for Astro? Did it take me all this time to realize this? I feel like he's a common opener, at least for title tracks. Let me know. Let me know if I'm insane. But yeah, let's go. I feel like this is me when I'm just really comfy and I want to sleep some more. This is like sickeningly adorable. So they're the bottles? Oh, I heard this in some Astro vlog in the background. This part at least. No, I want to look at the outfits. These are questionable. Some of them at least. Like, what is Rocky wearing? Bin looks really adorable. And I think maybe Uno looks cute. Sana I like, except he's not neon orange enough to fit in with the rest of them. No, I don't like it. It fits really awkwardly. It's so cute. Look at the little babies. I'm sorry, I won't get over that for a bit. $5 in a dream, y'all. Why are they bottles of soda? Why are Astro? What is this MV concept? It's so good. This is one of the least serious MVs I've ever seen. I'm dying. And they look so bewildered. Look at Rocky's face, especially when they do that. He looks so confused. Rocky's face is just like, why am I here? I love this. Like, the song's a freaking jam too, don't get me wrong, it's really fun, but this is such a crackhead idea for an MV. Whoever came up with this, thank you so much. Why is everyone cold and uncomfortable except for MJ? Is she just happy cuddling with that other bottle? Oh, now they're blue soda. Does that imply they're actually the bottles, not the soda? Ah! No, they're the soda somehow. But shouldn't we then worry about her drinking it? Why is she so evil? Don't kill Astro. Please. Oh, they're a star! It's their logo, isn't it? At least somewhat. The swing! Oh my gosh, Uno's face, Uno's face, look at Uno's face, look at it! Why are Chin and Rocky going up so hard? And now they're no longer soda because they've been drank. Sum Kappa. That's what it's called in Korean. I actually really love those. Okay. I like hide and seek. I like Cat's Eye a lot. I love Breathless, both the way it sounds and the absolute crackhead MV. It's so fucking weird. It's so weird. I love it. It's so fun. I also think Breathless sounds like such a quintessential Astro song, which I also is a big reason for me to love it. But yeah, I had a lot of fun with those. Yeah, I don't know how common Astro videos will be for the time being, because I'll kind of have to wake up and be like, today's the day that I feel, well enough. But I hope you'll continue being along for the ride with me with Astro. As always, there's a link to the Patreon where I have a ton of Astro like variety reactions and such. If you care about that, also their Japanese discography. I at least started it. Did I finish that album? It's been so long since I took my break that I don't remember if I finished their first Japanese album or if I just did most of it. I'll check. But yeah, that's it for me for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!